Okay, so this is the Olaplex number 6. It's part of a line of 7 products. This is the concentrated leave-in smoothing cream. It's great for all hair types, including colored and chemically treated hair, meaning like keratin treatments or like a perm. Olaplex number 6 strengthens, hydrates, moisturizes, and speeds up blow drying times while also smoothing your hair. It eliminates frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. And the best of all, it doesn't weigh your hair down, so it makes sure that you maintain volume. The one that I'm showing you right now is the 1 ounce one. It's like a leave-in styling cream that eliminates frizz, hydrates, and protects all hair types. The benefits is that it strengthens, hydrates, moisturizes, and smooths. The way that you should use it is you should put a very small amount on your palm and then concentrate the product on your mid-length to the ends. So this product looks different on people with different types of hair. So for people with curly hair, you should probably be generous when styling with number 6 to help promote healthy looking defined spirals. Sometimes what can happen with curly hair is that your hair looks kind of dry. So this will make sure that like it doesn't look dry and that the spirals aren't frizzy. For people with fine or thin hair, after styling your hair, you should probably only add like a drop or 2. It'll just make it really smooth and weightless. For people with thick hair, you should be sure to use the N6 while your hair is still drying. So not wet, but more damp. It helps to speed up any blow dry time, but also prevents frizzing, which is common in thick hair. For people with colored hair, it's actually safe to use for chemically treated hair or colored hair, and it helps restore your hair's health. So I know with a lot of people with colored hair, it looks kind of dry, but this restores a nice finish to your hair's health. For people with wavy hair, again, you can use it, you should use it when it's damp to make sure that it's frizz-free, and it keeps it frizz-free for up to 72 hours. And sometimes like when you're on day 2 or day 3 hair, you can use it to touch up and smooth frizz. It makes your hair look fresh and rejuvenated. It is highly concentrated, so you don't have to use much, and it is leave-in smoothing cream. So where do you put this product? You apply it from the mid-length to the ends. You do not need to put it on your the roots or your scalp. You should use this after each wash or when you need it for styling. I usually use it after I wash my hair, like after it's air dried for about an hour or 2. It's for all hair types, for blow dry or air dry styling. It's free of aldehydes or formaldehyde. It's for all hair types, pH balance. It's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, nut-free, phosphate-free, and sulfate-free. I know a lot of people are concerned about sulfate in their hair. So how it works is a single molecule free of silicones and oils dramatically improves the hair's strength, protects from within, and provides immediate response. Like about this company, Olaplex, is that they're very big on sustainability. So the environment comes first. They're devoted to developing and maintaining sustainable products with environmental and social and economic benefits while protecting public health and the environment of the entire life cycle. So I'll just use a little bit on my palm. So I only like really put like this much. That's enough for like, this is enough for my sister's whole head. I use this on like half my head, and I just kind of put it on the ends just like that. Just my hair. And it just helps smooth my hair, make it like the finish look nice. Okay, link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching.